Okay guys, this is my 2011 Range Rover Sport Supercharged, and what I'm going to show you guys is a alarm that I keep getting on my dash, and I'll show you. It keeps saying hood open. Let's close the door. See a little better. So I'm going to start my car so you guys can see. Okay, as you can see there, it's hood open, and apparently this hood open alarm also triggers your panic alarm whenever late at night you lock the doors. Your horn will be going crazy and you'll be waking up your neighbors and anybody surrounding you. So I'll show you how to fix that real quick. Now this is gonna be my little assistant that I woke up this morning and she'll be helping me holding the camera. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn off the car. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Now this is all the tools we're gonna need. Let me show you this. This is gonna be a T30, and it'll look something like that. Focus in. So we'll need this and a flathead screwdriver. So it's got two latches over here. This is the one on the driver's side, and as you can see, it's got a cable right there. This is what pulls your latch from the inside, and it goes out that way. Now this one here on the driver's side does not have the switch that we're looking for that keeps triggering our alarm, and this right here will be the one on the passenger side. As you can see, this one only has that cable going through it, and if you look on the back side, as you can see, that little switch right there, or that little connector, it's what's triggering that alarm. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pop these little tabs so we can push our grill a little bit back. So you just press down and you push it back. Press down, push back. Press it down, push it back, and press it down, push it back. Now once you do that, you're able to flex it enough where you can get back here. Again, we'll use our T30, and we're going to remove this bolt right here and this screwdriver right here, or this bolt right here. So it's just those two. We'll go ahead and do that now. Get in there, get this off. This will help you if this trigger keeps going off and you order your part. You can actually wait till it'll give you time till it gets there. That way you won't be waking up your neighbors and you won't see that annoying alarm. So go ahead and do that. Put our little screw over here, make sure we don't lose it. ratchet, remove the other bolt completely, like so. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll remove this little connector right here. So press on the tab right here and pull back. That'll do the trick. It looks like so. Now you can give this half a twist. As you can see, our connector looks something like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this little section right here, and to do that, we'll turn it like so. We'll press right here and right here to be able to pull this back out, and then you'll see the part that we need to fix in there. So I will use our little flathead screwdriver right here, and push inward, and then pull back. Let's see. There we go. Now this is a genuine Land Rover. Now this part was made by Ford, and if we can focus in a little bit, there you go. There's the part number. And still trying to. There we go. Okay. So what happens is this little spring right here, this little deal right there, the white part down there, that's going to be your switch. So as the hood closes, you can hear the clicking. That's a switch right there. Now this, over time, this little plate right here, it'll get worn down, so it gets compressed, and when you try to close the hood, or you close the hood, it doesn't go back up, so you don't have that clicking. So what we're going to do to fix it for the meanwhile, we're going to stretch this back out, give it a little bit more spring, like so, and now it'll be longer, which in turn should be able to push our button. So we'll do that, and we're gonna put this back on our hood latch. Put it back the same way. You just gotta snap it back in. Okay, it's in there now, as you can see, right there, and right there. So now we'll go ahead and give it half a turn. Let's find our little connector, pull it back out, connect it again, and this way. Push it in till it snaps. Now it's completely in there, so it won't come back out. So line it back up. We'll put our first screw in there. Start it by hand. Do not ever start anything with your ratchet. You always start it by hand. Give it a couple of turns, and then you can finish it up with your ratchet. We always want to put all the screws in before we tighten one, because a lot of times the other one will not line up. So we'll, okay. So there's our two screws that we started. Pull back a little bit, and now we're ready to tighten it up. Let's get the first one going. Okay, almost there. That one's tight. Now let's move on to the next one. Line it up. Let's get that one. There we go. Now, we'll go ahead and push our tabs back in. You can see, all you gotta do is line all these up, push, here it clicks. That one's in there, push, push, and that's all. Okay.